Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the cool Mandeville Hills, in the upscale Ward Avenue community, is this two-story residence that is immaculately kept. It is 5 minutes from the Mandeville Town Centre. This attractive home is on quarter-acre of land and comes with 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The property features on the ground floor a powder room, garage, utility room, bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. The upper floor have master bedroom ensuite bathroom with jacuzzi and walk-in closet, balcony, living room, dining room, kitchen with island and walk-in pantry. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.